Welcome to the Financial Freedom Channel. In this article, we will delve into 6 effective strategies that can help you boost your income, enabling you to seize control of your financial future. Number 1. Invest in skill enhancement. Investing in your skills and education is one of the most reliable ways to increase your income potential. Identify the skills that are in high demand in your industry or desired field and take steps to acquire them. This may involve enrolling in courses, attending workshops, or pursuing advanced degrees. By continuously upgrading your knowledge and expertise, you become more valuable to employers or clients, which can lead to higher paying opportunities. Additionally, stay updated with industry trends and developments to remain competitive and position yourself as an expert. Number 2. Negotiate for fair compensation. Many people leave money on the table by accepting initial salary offers without negotiation. Whether you're starting a new job or seeking a raise in your current position, it's essential to understand your worth and be prepared to negotiate for fair compensation. Research industry standards, gather data on salaries, and highlight your achievements and contributions when discussing your remuneration package. Demonstrating your value and advocating for yourself can result in increased income and improved financial stability. Number 3. Explore diverse income streams. Diversifying your income sources can provide a significant boost to your overall earnings. Consider exploring side hustles, freelance work, or entrepreneurship opportunities that align with your skills and interests. The gig economy offers a wide range of possibilities, such as consulting, tutoring, writing, graphic design, or selling products online. By leveraging your talents in spare time effectively, you can generate additional income streams that contribute to your financial growth. Moreover, diversification protects you from relying solely on one income source, reducing financial vulnerability. Number 4. Embrace smart investing and saving habits. Making wise financial decisions can indirectly increase your income. By investing your savings wisely, you can generate passive income over time. Explore different investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, and seek professional advice if needed. Additionally, practice sound financial habits like budgeting, reducing unnecessary expenses, and saving diligently. These practices free up funds that can be used for investments or emergency situations, creating opportunities for long-term financial growth and stability. Number 5. Prioritize personal development. Personal development plays a crucial role in increasing your income potential. Cultivate qualities such as effective communication, leadership skills, problem-solving abilities, and emotional intelligence. These traits enhance your professional performance and open doors for promotions, high-paying roles, or entrepreneurial success. Seek out mentorship, attend seminars, read books, and actively pursue growth opportunities to continuously develop as a professional. By investing in yourself and acquiring valuable skills, you become more marketable and can command higher compensation. Number 6. Leverage technology and online platforms. The digital era offers a wealth of opportunities to increase your income. Take advantage of online platforms that allow you to monetize your skills or assets. For example, you can create and sell digital products, offer online courses, or provide consulting services remotely. Additionally, platforms like freelancing websites or e-commerce marketplaces enable you to reach a global audience and find lucrative opportunities. Embrace technology to streamline your work processes, expand your reach and leverage digital tools that can enhance your productivity and effectiveness. Increasing your income requires a proactive and multifaceted approach. By investing in your skills, negotiating for fair compensation, diversifying your income sources, making smart financial decisions. Embracing personal development, leveraging technology and building strong relationships. You can significantly enhance your earning potential. Remember, the journey towards increasing your income is a long-term endeavor that requires persistence, adaptability and continuous self-improvement. With determination and the implementation of these strategies, you can create a solid foundation for financial growth and enjoy the benefits of an increased income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable contents. Thanks for watching.